For this video, we'll be doing the 3 times tables. We'll be memorizing our 3 times tables. Look at how much we've already accomplished. We've already done the 0 and the 1s, the 2s, the 10s, the 5s, the 9s, 11s, 6s, 4s. Okay? Now we just have the 3s. Look at how many we have to memorize. 1, 2, 3, 4. For me, that is working smarter, not harder. Okay? But like I said on the other video, unfortunately, we just have to grind out these. Okay? And what I mean by grinding out the 3 times tables, and here it is. We just have to grind out by writing it this time 20 times. Okay? Look, it's only 4 multiplication facts that you're writing out 20 times. Yes, that's 80 times 4 times, 20 times 4 is 80. Yes, I get that. Okay, or should I say 4 times 20 because it's 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. You added it 4 times, so it's 4 times 20, 80. I get it. But think about the reward. You're going to memorize these. You're going to have less problems in math. I guarantee you, you have to memorize these. The more, if you have these memorized, the multiplication facts, you will have less problems with, of course, multiplication and division and fractions and upper grade level math. Okay, so we're just going to grind it out. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. And like I said, now we're doing it 20 times. Okay? Yes, like I said before, I'm old school. We're writing it down 20 times. Do not do 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 times 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 equals 9, 9, 9. That's not going to help out at all. I promise you it won't. It really will not. You're just wasting paper, you're wasting ink, or pencil, you're wasting your time. Okay? So on this one, 3 times 7 equals 21. 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 Remember, as you're writing it, you're saying it, and you're listening to yourself say it. So you get it 3 times. Okay? 3 times 8 equals 24. 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 From here, the last one you'll be needing to do 20 times is going to be 3 times 12 equals 36. 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 And you do that 20 times. Okay? From here, next comes my fun part, which is going to be the cards. Have you noticed that my videos are becoming shorter and shorter? That's only because there's less and less multiplication facts for us to memorize. New multiplication facts. Okay? We've already done the previous ones, so you don't have to memorize those. On this one, you already know 3 times 0, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 5. Because 3 times 5, that's the clock. You move your finger, slide it over here, it's 15 minutes. All of these, we've already memorized. 3 times 5, commutative property, switch it around. 5 times 3, that's the clock. Okay, that's why it's very important for you to watch the videos, okay, in the order I have them on there. Okay, so from here, let's get started. Remember, say the answer before I flip it over. Say the answer before I say it. Okay? Try to beat me. If you get it wrong, put a pile over here on the side. Okay? At the end, you get all these cards. If the one card only comes out once, let's say it's the 3 times 7, you missed it one time, but you got all the other ones correct. Okay, so you do know 3 times 7. You just, for whatever reason, goofed up on that one. But if you have 3 times 7, if you have like 2 or 3 sevens over here, you don't know it. Write it down 20 times, okay? Write it again 20 times, should I say. Here we go. Say it before I do the answer. 3 times 11, 33. Doubled. 3 times 1, 1, it's the other number, 3. 3 times 9, 27. Watch the nines video, why I say it like that. 3 times 12, 36. Memorize it. 3 times 2, 6. 3 plus 3. 3 times 10, 30. 3 with a 0. 3 times 1, 1. It's the other number, 3. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 8, 24. Memorize it. 3 times 12, 36. Memorize it. 3 times 7, 21. Memorize it. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 11, 33. It's doubled. This one, you're supposed to memorize it. 3 times 12, 36. Memorize it. 3 times 2, 6. 3 plus 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 plus 3. 3 times 12, 36. Memorize it. 3 times 1, 1. It's the other number, 3. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 12, 36. Memorize it. 3 times 8, 24. Memorize it. 3 times 7, 21. Memorize it. 3 times 10, 30. 3 with a 0. 3 times 10, 30. 3 with a 0. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 5, 15. 5, slide on the clock, slide your finger, 15 minutes. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 12, 36. Memorize it. 3 times 10, 30. 3 with a 0. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 5, 15. On the clock, slide your finger, 15 minutes. 3 times 5, 15. On the clock, slide your finger. 3 times 3, 9. Memorize it. 3 times 11, 33. Double it. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 7, 21. Memorize it. 3 times 3, 9. Memorize it. 3 times 11, 33. It's doubled. 3 times 8, 24. Memorize it. 3 times 8, 24. Memorize it. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 5. The clock, slide your finger to the 3, and that's going to be 15 minutes. 3 times 7, 21. Memorize it. 3 times 7, 21. Memorize it. Okay? Whenever I say memorize it, that's because it's a new one. These you need to memorize. This is the video for the 3s, and you only had to memorize these. 3 times 4, we already covered it when we did 4 times 3. 3 times 6, we already covered it when we did 6 times 3. That's why it's important to watch these videos in the order I do them. Now, having said that, boom, we are finished with the 3 times tables. Look, we only have 3 more numbers, and at the same time, we only have to memorize 3 new ones. Okay? By the time you get to the sevens, you should already have memorized 7 times 3 because you did 3 times 7 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. Okay? So good luck. Keep practicing and wish you all the best in math.